Phew! What a ride.
Everyone all right?
Yep, but where are we? That snowball rolled us way off track.
Oh, the blizzard's scrambling our maps.
So, the baby fox is lost, and now we are too.
We know the baby fox was heading towards the den, so we should try to head that way too.
Follow me, Kit. I've got a perfect sense of direction, remember? The den is that way. Was it that way? Or maybe over those hills?
Admit it, Sam. We're lost. And that poor baby fox is still out there somewhere.
Hey, guys! Over here! I think I found some paw prints.
Huh? These definitely aren't Arctic fox prints. They're way too big.
So big that the blizzard hasn't fully covered them up with snow.
Hey, look at that. My feet are exactly the same size.
Wally, these aren't paw prints.
They're snow boot tracks.
Your
snow boot tracks.
Oh, hey, they are.
Based on the amount of snow on them, they're from before we rolled into the snowball. Come on, we can follow them back towards the den.
Hey, look, there's that stump that looks like a tugboat again.
Which means we're very close. I gotta say, Wally, your snow boots might have just saved the day.
They also have great arch support. Whoa! Watch out for that little hole there.
This hole looks fresh, like it was just dug.
And look, fresh baby fox prints. Better see where this leads.
Hey, we're back where we started.
Guess the baby fox was headed back to the den after all. She even dug a new entrance.
Sweetheart, is that you? You're back. Did you find her?
Well, it seemed like she came back on her own, but where is she?
Listen. My baby.
Aww.
I'm so glad you're safe and that you found your way home.
Update, Arctic foxes. Arctic foxes live in underground dens with lots of tunnels and entrances.
Try not to get lost. It's like a maze in there.
Their thick fur helps them stay warm.
They've even got fur on the bottoms of their feet.
White fur keeps them camouflaged in the snow.
That means they're hard to see. Hey, where'd she go?
Wait! The smell! I know these flowers. I always loved them. And this purple is my favorite color. And these are my favorite bugs.
This is good. Smells and tastes can help bring back memories. We must be on the right track.
Careful down there. The wind is getting stronger. Yes, I remember. It's windy near my home. And I think I remember...
Little bats! Is that?
My name is Nimba. Nice to meet you, Nimba. Looks like you can fly again. Yes, and I'm remembering more and more. I think we're close to my cave. There's a path up ahead. Follow me. Come on. We're almost there. I think it's just around this bend.
Uh-oh. Whoa!
Phew! Sam! Kit! Look out!
Thanks, Nimba.
Yeah, you really saved us from that rock slide. Rock slide? Rock slide! That's it!
What's it?
I remember! There was a rock slide, and then... Oh no! Huh? I remember now. I live here in this cave. Mama, Papa, and I were cleaning each other when a rock slide started. I was the only one who made it out. But when I tried to go back and help them, I got hit on the head. That's when I lost my memory and fell down the mountain. My Mama and Papa are still behind those rocks. Do you think they're okay?
Only one way to find out. Come on, kids. Let's move these rocks.
If we can move this last big one, that should do it. I can help. Ready?
Ready.
We did it! Hello?
Nimba!
Mama! Papa! There you are.
We were so worried.
I can definitely see the family resemblance.
Sam, do you realize what this means? They must be a species of bat we've never heard of before. Orange-furred bats. I have so many questions. Excuse me, how long have you been here? What do you eat? Do you like oranges?
Kids, maybe we should let Nimba have some time alone with her family?
Oh, right.
So long, Nimba.
Bye, Sam. Bye, kids. Thank you.
Update, orange-furred bats. There are thousands of different bat species in the world.
But not many have orange fur like the orange-furred bat.
They live in West Africa.
In caves near the tops of very tall mountains.
Scientists only recently learned about this new species.
Orange, you glad we told you about them?
Quick, follow that stink beetle.
Look out!
Almost got it.
Hey, quit following me.
Did you get a stink sample?
Yup, it's all over me.
What? How is it not a match? That was our last suspect.
Don't worry, Sam. Let's just take a deep breath. Oh, I can't take this anymore. I want this smell off of me. Oh, this water smells even worse.
There's some kind of film on the water. Looks stinky. And it leads that way.
Is it just me, or is the smell getting stronger?
Hello?
Of course! It's a skunk frog!
A skunk frog.
Yep! A skunk frog's skin is covered in super smelly slime to protect themselves from predators.
They're the smelliest frogs in the world, and they are extremely rare. Can we have your autograph?
Sure?
It's a match. He's our stinker, all right.
But I thought skunk frogs only lived in the rainforest. What are you doing here?
My wife laid her eggs on land, like all mama skunk frogs do. And it's my job to carry our babies back to the stream where we live.
Dad! Are we there yet?
Not yet. But I took a wrong turn and got lost. Could you give me directions to the nearest stream?
We'll do you one better.
There you are!
Hi!
I was worried.
Thanks for getting us back home.
See ya.
Update, skunk frogs. Skunk frogs defend themselves by making a really stinky smell.
P.U. They're some of the smelliest frogs on Earth.
The females lay eggs on land.
And the males bring them to water when they hatch.
Skunk frogs are extremely rare.
They're not seen often and only live in rainforest streams.
Mama Opossum, are you here?
Who's there?
Hiya!
We're from Clade. We think you may have lost something.
Or 3.
Mama! My babies! Did you fall off, my darlings? Thank you so much for finding them. It's just so hard to keep track of all these kids. See what I mean?
We're happy to help. But what were you doing so far from your den?
Just taking the babies on a little vacation to show them where the pawpaw fruit is. But we've had our fill, right, kiddos? Yeah, we better be getting home.
We'd be happy to take you back to the village. We could keep an eye out for falling babies. And my extra socks. I think I might have dropped them somewhere.
Hawk!
They're playing possum again.
Quick, catch them! Kit, heads up!
Looks like playing possum worked. The hawk's leaving.
But wait, where's...
Mama Opossum!
She's floating away! Hurry!
Let's go!
Can't she wake up now that the hawk is gone?
She can't control when... Look out! When she wakes up! Even though now would be a very good time. Watch out for that log! I mean, alligator! Sam, the river is moving way too fast. How are we going to catch up?
The river splits, then reconnects. Right before a waterfall!
We can take the shortcut and get there before she does. Come on! Mama!
Got her! The current's too strong. Uh-oh.
Try this! My clay claw! Thanks, little buddy. Hang on! Phew! We made it.
Wake up, Mama. Did I miss anything?
Update, opossums. Mama opossums carry their babies on their backs.
They can be hard to keep track of, and sometimes they even fall off.
Whoopsie. Opossums have lots of teeth.
The most teeth of any North American mammal.
When startled, they go stiff and play possum to defend themselves.
That's one way to confuse predators.